picked up this tire pressure gauge. It's going to be for this portable air compressor that I got for my husband, and we're going to travel with it, so we needed an extra chuck. But I wanted to show you the inside of this. This is going to be for 120 psi. It's really suitable for any kinds of vehicle, and then it has, you know, your range from 10 to 120 psi. So here is the inside of it. It comes with all kinds of like little extra goodies. Here is a bag of them. It looks like it's got some kind of like threaded tape, like your plumber's tape. It has some valve stem covers, and then here are a couple additional pieces. I believe those are for your valve stem if you need it, and it just comes with a different assortment of things. Now here is the actual tire pressure gauge. This is going to have your PSI on this, so when you fill up your tire and you press and do all those things, it's going to tell you what the pressure is here, and you're right on the tool, which is really nice, so you don't have to worry about like looking afar or anything like that. So overall, I really like the quality of it. It's got some weight to it. It's not super fragile, if you will. This right here just screws onto here, and this is going to go onto the back part of your hose. And then you would just push this to fill up the tire, the air in your tires. So if you're in the market and you're looking for a new tire pressure gauge, then this is one I would recommend checking out.